Hey guys, today's video is going to be a review on this wig. If you guys want to see this headband wig that's been popular, don't everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be this hair review from Asteria hair. This is their Kinky curly wig, 16-inch. Everything will be down below in the description box, but I wanted to show you guys the hair is natural texture. As you see from the previous video of me trying to put on the wig, it's just such beautiful hair. Like, I really love this hair. So this is it, like, naturally without any products and stuff like that. I would rock it like this. And look out the edges. I did my edges. I usually don't do my edges. I would personally would not even do my edges some days, but if I'm feeling fancy and stuff like that, I could always rock my natural edges. I try to do some little baby hairs and stuff like that, but I personally like my edges to the back. We're gonna put some products in. I got some water, a moisturizing conditioner from Aunt Jackie's. I don't think you guys even care about that. And I got some mousse. I really don't want to comb out this hair. As I'm combing my hair, as you can see, it's sliding. So I definitely would put a band on this wig. Most definitely put a band on this wig so your wig won't be sliding. I don't really think it needs any like product. It looks super cute. It's nice and wet and curly. So this is one side and this is the other side. I like it naturally too. Let me fix this. There you go. So I'm gonna just do the other side. So I didn't put any products. I just did water. So I'm gonna do the other side. I really like it like this too, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're gonna need some bands on this wig. This wig definitely needs a band. I'm just trying to make it bigger because I don't really like it when it's flat, you know? Make it bigger. This is some beautiful hair. Okay, so this is it wet, so it's not dried. Okay, my edges, the hair is so beautiful. Let me show you the back. Look, it's so pretty. I really recommend this wig. It's so beautiful, and like the curl is so pretty, and this is gonna be like my everyday look. Something that I would recommend for you guys to do, since this is a take down and put on wig, like say for instance when you take it off you have a mannequin head, I would recommend to twist like 2 sections so that the curls can stay and the curl pattern is not matted up throughout the night. Or you can spray it, brush it out, and put it on your mannequin every night, but it just depends. But this hair is so beautiful. Like this, you can't even tell like this ain't my hair, honey. I wish somebody would tell me. I wish somebody would tell me that this ain't my hair, because this is my hair. Like this is so beautiful. Like I could do a ponytail too. I need me a scrunchie. Try to put this in a wig, but we gonna need a band first. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been bringing to the channel. I want to say thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.